Is it recording?
Yeah.
That's not flashing.
Look like I'm going for a swim.
Bitch. Watch your big ass elbows. What's up, everybody? I am back today with my brother here.
Hi!
So I'm out in Boise, Idaho. I came to visit him because I just wanted to see him. I missed him a lot. So we're going out tonight and we're just gonna do a get ready with me video. So he's gonna do his makeup. His is really light and simple. So he's gonna take really fast. So I'm gonna try to hurry with mine. I already did my foundation and my eyebrows, of course. But yes, so let's go into the video and okay, so I have my makeup behind me, so I'm just gonna be like, you know, reaching for stuff.
I have mine right in front of me. So mine's...
And this is not a tutorial. This is just get ready with me because I'm here with my brother, so we're just getting ready. I might tell you guys some of my products and stuff, but I'm not gonna go into detail about how I'm using them.
Yeah, I'm not really gonna go into detail of like what we're doing. We're just doing our makeup and getting ready together, and yeah. But y'all already know. L'Oreal True Match, my tried and true, love it. I'm in the shade C3, as you can tell, even though she is my fully related sister. We're very different skin tones, and
can you believe it?
Yeah, features. So,
forgot to bring my light, so this is like horrible lighting. I'm so sorry, guys, but you won't have to deal with it. And then my stand, like.
Outside the window is open,
it's like, yeah.
So sorry for the noise, but like, you know, it's a struggle.
Hey yo, look like I'm going for a swim. Don't go to now swinging off the grim.
Ooh, I forgot to prime.
I need to tell this nigga to take his time, because
Huh?
take your time.
I usually say you can't rush perfection, but I mean, if it takes this long, it's quick.
I went and cut the chopsticks. Put it in my bun just to pop shit. I'm always in the top shit.
So my brother's a hairstylist, and I went and got my hair done by him today. You can't tell that much, but he's gonna do it again because there's a couple things that can be fixed with it.
You know, one of those clients just can't ever please.
I'm picky, okay? And no, he should know because he's my fucking brother, you know?
I mean, just even like foundation, this foundation, that looks good. Like, it's on popping, that's all I need.
Bitch. Watch your big ass elbows.
So, what am I gonna get? Where's that bitch, I need that.
This?
Yeah, I need that contour powder.
Okay, hold on.
We're obviously gonna be sharing makeup, which I usually don't recommend, but you know, it's my sister. Where I've been, she's been,
they're just powders.
vice versa. Well, I am gonna borrow your mascara because I ain't got it.
Oh yeah.
Don't do that shit, that's unsanitary.
Same.
And I'm just using like a real technique brush that I got in this set that I don't remember why. I think I got it for Halloween makeup because I was doing like this full Halloween makeup and I just wanted some like brushes to do it, but like this is the only one I have left. I don't know what else. So I'm just gonna contour, even though I already got a little scruff. That helps. It helps a little bit, but you know, gotta contour this double chin out because baby's been hitting McDonald's a little too much. You know how it is. I'm busy. Also, nobody likes to run. I don't like to run. Why wouldn't you? No. If I'm running, you better run.
Either, but I don't.
Yeah, but to get the body that I want, girl, I have to run a lot. Like, I'm not trying to be beefcake.
I'm in the process of trying to lose weight too. I want to lose like 30 pounds or more. Like at least 30, 35.
So I got a contour way back here because a bitch has a fucking hairline.
I thank the Lord My hairline ain't come out like that.
I'm dealing with this shit since I was like 16, no lies. I'm like kind of tempted to go into this. Okay. Abort mission. Ooh. Oh, that showed up hella bad on the viewfinder.
Zoom in on that shit.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm like, I gotta blend you out, bitch. You gotta go. I'm just gonna live with my decisions. I'm already like 2/3.
I know, this nigga's gonna be done and I'm gonna be sitting here like still doing my eyeliner and eyes. Why don't you just take a break for a second? You know, how does that feel?
I'm back, bitch. I want you to act different.
Have you done your eyebrow doing?
Nope.
Take your time, you know.
Should I take this too? Should I do the chocolate bar palette or should I use the contour color in here?
Honestly, why don't you try to use a lighter powder in this?
I feel like it's gonna be too warm. That looks warm to
And
me.
it is gonna be.
No, I feel like this is too light. I feel like that didn't thing. I feel like but for fuck's sake, I'm just gonna do it on the other eye so when I switch up it changes. So I am gonna take this palette and I'm gonna use the color Milk Chocolate. It's the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Like, honestly though, like I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh my gosh, you should use this for your eyebrows, because I would not use this for my eyebrows, but I don't have anything for my eyebrows right now, so I'm just like struggle blessing. But I mean, if you want to recreate this, I mean, honestly, why would you though? Because it's not gonna really be anything.
Alright, what's going on with the music?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm gonna step off camera real quick because I need to do my eyeliner.
Oh wait. You change it. I'm doing my eyebrows. I have to focus. Oh my god. Why is it just doing this? Oh. It was a dance video. You did your eyeliner that fast?
Okay, it looks so horrible. It came out super thick and ugly because when I did it on here, it like, you know, so I need to clean it up. That's why I don't like doing it on camera. Like, if you watch my videos, you know I go off camera to do my eyeliner because I need like full body camera. I mean full body mirror to see what I'm doing.
Do you have brow gel?
No, I haven't used brow gel forever. Talking about I have nothing, but he's the one borrowing from me.
It's hard to believe I'm black, huh? This is a new America, mixed race motherfuckers. Some of us ain't come out like how you think that they came out, okay? Some of us come out pale as fuck, like this, okay? Comes to black. Where's the mascara? This one, bitch?
Why? Why you say it like that? What's wrong with that?
Why you say it like that? Why you say it like that, bro? You see all that breastiness right there?
This nigga trying to clown me.
So I even do this when I usually like have my regular mascara where it's brown and not black. Like I might have to do this extra, but I wipe it off a couple times on fucking toilet paper. Because I really don't want like length or anything. I just want my eyelashes like darker. Fill this shit right there.
Does it look okay now? Really?
Oh, I'm focusing.
Focus on me.
The eyeliner?
Yeah.
You see the other thing? No, it looks good.
You mix that Negro with that Creole, get it Texas Bama.
Yeah, I'm big. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, sister. Oh, bad. Do you give myself like bags?
Okay, what's that? So you just gonna leave me? You ain't gonna come talk to me? You doing what?
I don't know about the glasses anymore though.
We're slowly but surely losing precious daylight. Okay, this nigga keeps leaving me, but you know, let me keep getting ready. This is my older brother, by the way. He's 22, I'm 21. We have 2 other brothers that have the same mom and dad. So it's 4 of us all together, and yeah, believe it or not, like, we're related. People are always like, you guys are not related, you're not black, like, you look black, but he doesn't look black, and yada yada yada. So, but yeah, he hella took the music too. He's over there in the bathroom taking selfies. I know he is. I just know him. Watch. You get any good selfies?
No. Struggling to get a good Snapchat too.
You'll get it. I'm gonna be here for a couple more days, and I don't know what else I'm really gonna do. Like, we're going to the bar, and like, I really don't drink, so I guess I'm gonna get drunk today. I guess my brother just totally forgot that we were doing a get ready with me video together. Like, I know it's taking me extra long, but fuck, just leave me alone here. I don't even know what the fuck to say, you know, like. Brother, did you forget that this is supposed to be a video of us, like, together and not just me?
Bitch, you had like 50 million other stuff to do. I went to go take selfies.
So what?
That's
Like, come, like, talk to me and shit, you know, like, yeah.
Bitch, I'm over here struggling. I can't get a good picture. I'm like ugly, kind of.
Oh my gosh, do not say that. Saying that you're ugly is like saying I'm ugly.
We don't look anything alike. Well, don't
Follow me on Snapchat at PrettyMarieMUA, or you can follow my active one that I use a lot. It's Queen A Bitch, and then follow me on Instagram at PrettyMarieMUA. I'm gonna use my Hoola by Benefit bronzer to contour my nose.
Go to become a tutorial though?
Am I telling them what I'm doing, or am I just?
You just said I'm gonna use this to do this.
Okay, so does my nose contour look good or does it look bad?
No, it looks good. I'm not even in the video. We gotta step it up, girl. We got places to be. Well, fuck, I've been done for like 30 minutes now. This bitch just put on some eyeshadow and some nose contour.
Okay, I forgot my highlighter, so I'm gonna be using a fucking color from China.
You might want to say that again because I just dug in my nose.
I forgot my highlighter, so I'm gonna use like a color from my palette. You're funny. I actually like this as a highlighter though. Like I'm really enjoying how it looks. Like look at it. Look at that bitch.
Okay, but that's that you got me in today.
Okay, so you.
She got me in the most. She got me looking the ugliest I've ever looked in my entire life. Just kidding, I'm looking way uglier. Usually at 3:30 a.m. on Sunday morning. And then she posted it on Facebook talking about this is the best time ever, spending time with my brother, blah blah blah. And it was just because she sat in the chair looking cute with her hair stretched all out all along. I'm sitting over there in like a ballet position almost, with my legs crossed, looking off to the side, my whole double chin just like hanging there, like disrespectful. That was so, actually, it was so disrespectful. I'm kind of upset. Why would you post that? My mom, our mom sitting over here, love reacting, people commenting on it. She tagged me in it. I did not accept the tag request. Nobody needs to see me like that on my page, okay? I'm gonna smoke a cigarette.
What?
Please don't do that, kids. It's bad for you.
I am almost done. Seriously, just wait. Like literally like 2 more minutes.
Well, I need to go get my cologne at least, too.
Bitch. What's that bitch?
I'm not trying to look too fake. A little fake. I'm not Manny anyway. I'm not Jeffrey Star. I'm not
Alright.
Thomas Halbert.
My last step is to apply my setting spray and we are done.
I'm not none of those other beauty gurus. I do hair. I like to look pretty, that's about it. But I don't, like, I can't do like my sister and her eyeshadow.
Did I do everything? I think everything looks good.
Yeah?
The lighting is not the best, so, you know.
The lighting definitely went downhill.
And the lighting in this room is not good either, so.
Maybe you should show them what the outside looks like.
Let's see. Let me see what the outside looks like.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Why is the camera flashing? Is it about to die?
Nope, it flashes when it's recording.
Oh.
Yep. Alright guys, that completes my get ready with me video. So until next time, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, at least it's not raining.
Bye.